Meg. He got this new phone. Oh, stop. Stop.
Shay,
Please.
you're recording me. You better stop it.
Mommy, Papa, shoot!
Your mommy wants to take it. She's going to take it home. Come here, Meg. Come here. You're on camera. He's taking your picture. Come here.
No.
Give him a big raspberry.
No.
Go over there and give Angie a hug. Go get Angie. Get away from me. Take the pic. Get that picture. There you go.